Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a challenging and engaging math puzzle. What is the value of the expression 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This math question has tricked many people into choosing the wrong option. Let's break it down step by step together. Most of the time, people start solving this problem by doing 6 minus 6 first, which I have highlighted in yellow. And they write the expression as 0 times 6 minus 6. In the next step, they go for 0 times 6 and say that this simplifies to 0 minus 6. And finally, the answer becomes negative 6. Then, without any hesitation, they say the correct answer to this question is option B. While this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some people when solving such a problem first do 6 minus 6, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace it with 0. Then, they do the other 6 minus 6, which I have highlighted in blue, and replace it with 0 as well. Finally, they say 0 times 0 must be equal to 0, and immediately they claim that option C is the correct answer to this question. But unfortunately, this answer is also completely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in the image, in this expression we have one multiplication sign and two subtraction signs. We must start with multiplication because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we can write this expression as 6 minus 36 minus 6. In the next step, we calculate 6 minus 36, which equals negative 30, and then subtract 6. Finally, the value of this expression is negative 36. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.